channels, crypto trader and community. Welcome to this weekly market performance update provided by Teroxx, and this is what we're gonna talk about today. First of all, let's take a short look on the market capitalization, as well as to take a look on the performance of the top 10 coins in BTC as well as in USD pairs. We will head over to a short analysis of BTC and Ethereum, and we will talk about a gem or a good project that I will recommend you. And now let's switch over. Over here we can see the 7-day performance of the market capitalization, and how we can see it was a quite positive week. And we started this week with 169 billion USD, and right now we're at 181 billion USDT, and this is a spike of around 7% in 1 week, and this is for the whole market capitalization very good. Due to we need to come to new levels again, and this is the next step to have a quite good and interesting year 2019. We're now taking a closer look on the performance of each coin in the last 7 days in USD pairs. We can see that Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash are the top performer of this week, and all the other coins are quite interesting. Ripple, there was no movement. EOS, there was no movement. Tether, after this not backed stuff, went back to $1, but all in all no movement. Cardano and Stellar lost a little, as well as Binance Coin, and Litecoin and Ethereum are just a little in the greens. So all in all, we can see that the market capitalization grow 7%, but not all the market went upwards. So all in all, it was quite an interesting week. And this we also can see if we're taking a look on BTC pairs. And in BTC pairs, you can see the last 7 days it was quite a red week. Why? Because BTC, how you saw, was one of the top performer of this week. So all the other coins lost against BTC. Ethereum lost 3%, Ripple 7%, EOS 6.5%, Binance Coin 10%, Cardano 12%, Stellar 9%. Just Bitcoin Cash, because it performed better than BTC, is in the greens, and all the other coins are just down against BTC. So over here you can see the USD pairs were quite interesting and good to trade, while a lot of BTC pairs were unable to trade for long term or for day trading. So all in all, how you can see, it was a mixed week, but all in all the signs are positive this week in USD pair, and this is what is the main target for us, was green, and the market capitalization was green as well. If we now taking a look why BTC outperformed all the other coins, it's just easy. We take a look on the total market capitalization and dominance, and how you can see all this is the BTC, and we started this week with 54.84% BTC dominance, and right now we are at 55.73%. So all in all, this week again BTC managed to gain 1% more dominance. And if you can see that, like, Dash is just 0.58% of the whole market capitalization, and this is why all the altcoins are still going down, because a lot of people maybe expecting something in BTC and putting all the money in BTC instead of holding or evaluating new stuff in the altcoin market. Now let's take a closer look on winner and loser of this week, and how I already said, the winners are Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, while the loser, how you can see against the BTC pair as well, is again the Binance Coin. And I have not put the other coins that were in the reds over here, because I just wanted to talk about Binance Coin, and Binance Coin always going up and down. It's high volatility, and as long as there is no new stuff Binance bringing or Binance is talking about, the coin is always going down, because it will get hyped when there is something Binance is announcing. So this is for me quite a loser, because no one is really holding or working with Binance Coin. It seems to be a coin the people are trying to gamble a little with at the moment, and so this is the loser for me. Now let's take a short look on BTC and Ethereum analysis, and this is something I just made very easy, okay? So all in all, this week started at end of April, on the 30th of April, with this small dip, and this is also the new support line. So basically we're having a support at around 5,200. It peaked at 5,900 approximately, and this is of course the new resistance line. And how you can see, there's a support built in between, and it's around 5,600, and we touched this 2 times and bounced back. The trend in 1 hour chart, trend line, how you can see over here, is broken down. So basically we have to see what will happen, but after this bounce back from 5,600 levels, I can guess that the positive signs are still there. And how you can see in the RSI is at the moment at 44. This is neutral to bearish, but what we can see over here is when we're having a stable BTC at this RSI level, there's a lot of space to grow. So basically, if you're thinking positive, we can see a nice upward trend again to 5,900, or a bearish trend back to 5,600, and then may go down to 5,400 or to the support line at 5,200. Now let's take a look on Ethereum as well, and this is like the same like BTC. Again, end of April there was a small dip, and then the train started, and this end of April level at around 154 is our new support, and our peak at around $170 is our resistance line. And how you can see as well here, the trend channel was followed nicely up to this peak, and now it's broken down. And how you can see, the upwards movement is not that strong anymore. Again, here we're having a middle support at around $160, with which we touched 3 times and always bounced back. The signs over here are quite bullish. Let's see what will happen over here. But all in all, Ethereum is not looking that positive as BTC. Now let's talk about the gem I wanted to show you, and this is basic attention token, or the given Brave Browser, but dipped a lot this week, so keep an eye on this. But is a project which is led by Brandon Ike, and he's as well creator of JavaScript and co-founder of Mozilla, so he's really know what he's talking about. Due to he built a project that is open source, decentralized at exchange platform built on Ethereum platform, and this will be work in the following way. The token aims to correctly price users' attention within the platform. Advertisers pay BAT to website publishers for the attention of users. So the BAT ecosystem includes Brave, this is the browser, and this is a browser with blocking trackers and malware, so basically you can serve completely anonymously. And what is interesting, if you are consuming advertisement in the TV or on YouTube or wherever, you can't choose or you will not get paid for this. Brave browser will pay you in BAT. So basically, if you're using Brave browser, you can earn BAT, and this is quite interesting due to it's bringing crypto or the blockchain to a new level, and to users who may are not aware of this yet but like to surf anonymously. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you liked my personal view of this market, of the performance, what will happen next, and have a great week. Stay hungry, stay cool, and we will hear us next time when it comes to market performance provided by Teroxx.